Reduce operational cost of your business using an ERP. Hi, this is Kushal Advaryu, founder of DigiEn Infosoft. In this video, I am going to share with you some details of how you can reduce operational cost of your business using a business management solution like an ERP, MRP or a PMS. So let's understand that. Having implemented project management solutions and ERPs across the industries, we understand how exactly it works to reduce operational cost using a sophisticated business management solution in any of the company. So there are certain parameters that we need to take care of while we are planning to do this. It is a digital environment. We have so much of digital systems available in the market. So all of these systems can help you in reducing the cost of organization. Based on the level of digitalization that you implement in your company, you are going to get the output of that. How much you will be able to reduce operational cost in your company, that depends upon the level of digitalizations that you are planning to do in your company. So irrespective of whether you are already using an ERP or an MRP, it does not matter. These steps are going to helpful to you in any of the case. So let us understand one by one how ERP will be helpful in this pain point. First, structure the operations. Now, I have been talking in all my videos, structure the operations, but this is the basic step for any ERP or any business management solution. So, whether you are planning to achieve cost reduction, whether you are planning to achieve profitability, productivity, or efficiency, this is going to be helpful to you in all of the cases. It is very much necessary to understand all the operations being performed across departments in the company and identify processes being followed in all of these operations so that we can identify what are common activities being performed by our staff at each level of the execution and how much of this can be digitalized, and even after digitalizing this, how much of this can be automated so that we have less human intervention in this digital execution. So all the common processes and repetitive tasks which are there in the company, we can get rid of that. It will speed up routine of the company and the company will be completing projects or tasks faster than before. If you are completing the job faster than before, then obviously you are reducing on cost as well. Next point is automation. As I told you in the previous point, we want to minimize human intervention in the software. Automation is the best part. So all the common activities which you have identified or the activities which you have identified in which we don't require a lot of human intervention, then in that case we need to automate these activities in the software. This can be triggered based or this can be generated using the data which we have historically. But if we have automation there in the software, in that case we are ensuring that there is reduction in the operational cost in the system and overall improvement in efficiency of the organization. Next point, readily available historical data. In manual business or the software which are not able to provide historical data, it is very difficult to take decision based on this data for the business. So if you have a software which has readily available historical data, in that case you will be able to take decisions faster. Now this will help you in two cases. First, your decisions will be faster than before, so you are acting faster, and second, you are keeping all this data digital, historical data digital. It is readily available, so you are spending less in keeping record of your business and it is available to you in no time. Next point, auto generated reports. While historical data is helpful in understanding how we did it before, but we require automated reports to understand our existing business. If we have the ongoing business activities recorded and in terms of reports automatically delivered to us by email or by phone notifications or something like that, in that case we have a clear picture of our organization readily available in real time in front of us. So this will help us in understanding the business better and this will help us in reducing the operational cost of the business. So if we are engaging someone who is getting records from each of the book of the company or who is talking to each of the employee of the company to get their feedback, in case of that, if we have a readily available system in which we have already recorded all the data and the report based on that data is getting generated and by being delivered to you on periodical basis or daily basis, then this is definitely going to be a game changer for you. Next point, Keeping optimum inventory. A digital system will be helpful in allowing you to keep optimum inventory for your business. So in this way, you are actually increasing working capital for the company. You are actually reducing the cost because you don't have excess stock of the items in your warehouse, and you will be able to work more efficiently in your company for the production or any kind of projects that you are executing. So how do you get this optimum inventory? So using the historical data as we spoke earlier and the auto-generated report, to add to that, you can get the details of the inventory which you can actually have in the company. You can do the comparative analysis of the stock that you have or the production activities which are going on or which were there in your company, and you can come to a conclusion that this is the optimum inventory for your company. Now, even in case of optimum inventory, the system itself can suggest that this can be an optimum inventory for this particular item. So you don't need to act manually on all of these points. System itself, the software itself will be giving you output based on that. Next, get the data on task completion. We need to implement a sophisticated project management system in a company. While every employee is getting a task allocated to them to execute, you will be able to get at the end of the day how they fared in completing the task. It is not that we are monitoring employees for their efficiency or something. Yes, that is also a benefit of implementing this system. But when we have a properly delegated task to our employees, we understand how much resources do we require to complete the projects or the tasks. So using this data, we can understand how much resources are we going to need in the company, how much do we need to spend, and how much we have been spending unnecessarily so far. This will also take away pain of employees of reporting to you or the manager on daily basis manually for the task completion or task status. If you have everything available digitally in a software, then in real time you can get the results and get the status of the tasks in front of your screen. Next point, automated notifications. We need to send out notifications to our vendors, customers, or employees for various reasons. With this, we will see improvement in our raw material deliveries, our payments, task completion by our employees, and obviously all of this will lead to reduction in cost. You don't need to engage a staff to do that. You don't need to engage a staff to send reminders to our customers and vendors. You don't need to engage a staff to send emails all the time. Everything can be automated, triggered by the software itself, and you as an owner being informed by the software at the end of the day what action it has taken. So this will reduce the cost of operating this kind of activities in the company. Next point, single platform for customers, vendors, and employees. If we have an application in which along with our employees, our clients and vendors are also able to log in and share their data with us, then the execution is going to be a lot faster than before. So rather than engaging in sending emails and asking to our clients whether they've received invoices or asking our vendors whether they have received POs, if everything is in one place from where they can get the invoices or they can get the POs and they can upload dispatch instructions or they can upload payment receipts or anything, in that case the data transactions are happening faster than before, and it is going to reduce a lot of operational cost at your end as well. So using all these points, I'm sure you will be able to reduce operational cost at your end in your business and company. If you need more details about ERP implementations or ERP executions, you can reach out to me to my email ID at info@dgn.in. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.